Welcome back to my channel. The BMW X7 is the pinnacle of luxury and performance in BM's SUV lineup, blending opulence, power, and advanced technology into one commanding presence on the road. As the largest SUV ever produced by BMW, the X7 makes an immediate impression with its bold kidney grille, sleek LED headlights, and a refined silhouette that exudes elegance and strength. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of prestige. Under the hood, the BMW X7 offers a range of powerful engine options. From the turbocharged inline-6 in the xDrive 40i to the muscular V8 in the M60i variant, every drive promises thrilling acceleration and smooth performance. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and stability across all terrains, while the advanced air suspension delivers a buttery smooth ride, even over rough surfaces. Step inside the X7 and you're immediately surrounded by luxury. High-quality materials such as premium leather, wood, and aluminum trim create an upscale ambiance. The three-row seating arrangement offers ample space for up to 7 passengers, with optional captain's chairs for a more executive feel in the second row. The seats are not only spacious but also heated, ventilated, and massaging, making long drives exceptionally comfortable. Technology is at the forefront of the BMW X7 experience. The curved dual-screen setup integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by BMW's latest iDrive 8 interface. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice assistant, and gesture controls make connectivity seamless. A premium sound system, panoramic glass sunroof, ambient lighting, and advanced climate controls all enhance the driving experience. When it comes to safety, the X7 doesn't compromise. It includes a full suite of advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems not only keep you safe but also reduce driver fatigue, especially during long trips. The BMW X7 isn't just about transportation, it's about travel in its most refined form. It's perfect for families who desire both space and sophistication or individuals who want a commanding ride with top-tier performance. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the BMW X7 delivers comfort, power, and prestige like no other SUV in its class. Thanks for watching my video.